Hi Pisces, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So this is your weekly reading. Here I will check your recent past and current energy as well as your immediate future. So these all are, and we will check one overall energy for the reading. So these all are general messages. Some messages match with you, some may not. Whichever matching, take those and leave this. This is your overall energy. In the recent past, 7 of Wands, 6 of Swords, Empress. So in the recent past, you are trying for something very hardly, but in a stubborn way. Okay? I think that thing may be for this Empress. Or mostly I think for this Empress. You want this Empress in your life, or you have someone in your life who is like an Empress. So here you are dealing with an Empress. This person can be your mother figure or spouse. Someone more than spouse I am seeing here as a mother figure, because you are like an immature kid. You behaving, at least in the situation, whomever they may be, you are behaving in that situation like a kid, immature kid who don't know how to deal with the situations, and you forgot that you are dealing with an Empress. Maybe this person lost some kind of peace and this person don't want to deal with drama. That is also one reason. The 6 of Wands, 6 of Swords, they walked away from the situation because they don't entertain themselves in that kind of things. And in the recent current energy, 4 of Swords, Knight of Cups, 2 of Pentacles. You are healing. Finally you are taking some kind of rest. You are healing from the situation, whatever happened. Because it is like you kept lot of efforts, you did lot of hard work, whatever you may be doing, but you did in a stupid way. Okay? Because this energy is a very stubborn energy, very mature energy. You did something in a stupid way to get this Empress back in your life, because they already walked away from your life. But as of now, in the current situation, you are not doing anything. You are simply taking rest or taking break from the situation. You just healing. If at all you are taking rest also, you are intentionally not healing also, you are taking rest also, that healing is happening behind the scenes. Okay, whatever related to heartbreaks, related to emotions, if at all you are carrying any kind of traumas, those things are healing within yourself. Okay, it may be not looking, or at least you are not doing it intentionally, because I think here you are just know what is passion. You try to do the things in a passionate way, try to do the things with lot of efforts, lot of energy, but you don't know how to deal with the situation in an emotional way, how to handle the situation with emotions. Okay, and that is also one reason now you are healing in the current situation. Your current energy is healing completely from those heartbreaks, or at least simply taking break. You are not doing anything because in the past energy you kept a lot of efforts in that situation, and I think you are thinking to approach this Empress with love, because you are taking rest now. You are healing your emotions. At least you are healing your emotional side. That is also one reason you are feeling that emotions, and you are thinking that in the current situation with little bit more maturity, you are thinking to approach that Empress with cup of love, instead of doing these stupid things or behaving immaturely, doing things stubborn way. You want to approach them with this cup of love, to offer this cup of love to that Empress. And this Empress is very much busy. They are not concentrating on anyone, anything. Maybe they are not concentrating you also. That is also one reason. They kept very much busy themselves. That is also one reason why you want to approach them with love. Because in the past you did whatever you want to do in a stubborn way. It won't work out. That is also one reason now you want to approach them with cup of love, so that you can get them back in your life. But that person is not even looking at anywhere. They are completely busy in their life. They are focusing on their work or whatever they are doing. Their complete focus is on that thing. In the immediate future, you are going to end up with this 8 of Swords energy. In the immediate future, it is a Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So in the immediate future, even though as of now in the current situation, you want to approach that Empress with love. Okay, with emotions. You want to express your feelings because you think that that person deserves love. So let's meet that person and express your feelings internally, emotionally, whatever feelings you are carrying for them. You want to approach them, you want to express your love, and you want to express your love to them, and you want to offer your cup of love to the Empress. It's a good energy, good decision, and at least the way you are thinking, it is a little bit mature way when it compares to this Seven of Wands energy. But I think you are holding a lot of mental blocks within yourself. That can be anything, your fears, because of your past relationship, because of the way you brought up, you are holding a lot of mental blocks or fears and insecurities, rejection or fear of failure, whatever it can be. So in the immediate future, you will be stuck with your mindset where you are unable to move forward and offer your cup of love to the Empress. Okay, and here Empress is now no more thinking about anyone; they are simply concentrated on their work. Because of this stuckness, you finally going to decide that in the immediate future, let's approach with friendship offer, because it is Knight of Cups. Recently, when you are watching this reading, also you are carrying that emotions with that person. You know that within your heart you carry some kind of emotions for this person, that Empress. You want to express those emotions, but because of your mental blocks, because of your fears, because of your insecurities, you won't get, or at least in the immediate future, you are not going to feel brave enough to offer your cup of love to them. That is also one reason you want to approach with friendship opportunity. You want to offer this friendship to this Empress so that you can understand them, or at least you can take time to get out of this mental blocks. That is your plan in the immediate future. But someone is going to approach this Empress with King of Pentacle energy. This Empress is going to get someone in the immediate future with King of Pentacle energy. This person is also King, and the Empress also Queen of Pentacle. They already hold Queen of Pentacle energy. This is King of Pentacles. So they both are like a divine counterpart. At least they both are on the same energy when it compares to you, because you are still want to approach this Empress with a child energy, immature energy. Page is nothing but a child, kid energy. It is like maybe you are treating that person as a mother figure. That is also one reason. Initially I said this is a mother figure, but anyway you hold emotions for that person in a young energy. That means you love that person, but the way you are behaving with that person is completely immature, like a kid who is like 12-13 years kid, not even young energy. And this Empress is going to get someone in their life like a King of Pentacle. They are going to get their King of Pentacle in their life. This person is going to offer some kind of stable opportunity to that Empress, and in the immediate future. Your overall energy for the reading is Page of Wands. You want to hear some kind of good news from this person, or at least you are waiting for some kind of good news. That is, good news is nothing but you want to offer this cup of love to the Empress so that things can go normal. But the thing is, you are completely immature energy. No matter in between you brought some young energy, you started to think like in at least a little bit more mature way, but your energy is completely immature energy. This stubborn energy, in the past also you behaved like an immature person, Seven of Wands. You are doing things in a stubborn way. You are not even understanding how things are affecting others in the situation, and that is also one reason this person walked away from your life, because they don't want to deal with all those drama. And at least in the current energy, you are thinking a little bit more mature way, like in young energy, you are understanding your own emotions. You want to offer that cup of love to that person because you understood that you are carrying emotions for that person. But still, because of your own fears and own immaturities or fears, anxieties, again you became a kid. Again you started acting like a kid. Again you went into that immature kid energy. Again you want to start things in a friendship level. You don't want to take any kind of risk by offering this cup of love to them, even though you know that you hold emotions for this person. That is also one reason. Meanwhile, some King of Pentacle is coming and offering that king stable opportunity to that Empress. And here your overall energy is like waiting for that person, or at least thinking about the things so that everything will going to happen in a right way. Page of Wands. Want to listen some kind of good news, or want to get some kind of opportunity in a passionate way again. There is no love. Even though you hold love, I don't know, maybe you are dealing with some kind of heart related matter, emotional matters, because this is a Four of Swords energy, healing from your heart chakra. You are healing your heart chakra, but still, even though you heal your heart chakra, still in the immediate future also you are carrying same kind of fears, especially related to your emotions. That is the reason why you again want to go back to your childish energy, which is like you want friendship. Let's see where things will go. You have time, but other person deserves something better because they are an empress. That is the reason someone King of Pentacles is coming. They are offering what this empress deserves in their life. And here you are overall energy want to listen something. That is also in immature. That's why I said first heal yourself. Who are watching this reading, Pisces, heal yourself, come out of the traumas, whatever emotional traumas you are carrying. Here mostly it is emotional traumas you are carrying, especially related to love. Maybe you never felt emotions for anyone, or you have fear of expressing your emotions to someone, offering your cup of love to someone. That is also one reason you are like back and forth. You are playing that back and forth. You want to approach with this cup of love again, thinking that to no, let's start things with the friendship level. This is an empress. You are dealing with an empress. You should know about it. Which energy we are dealing with is very important. And this person is not going to tolerate any kind of dramas. That is the reason why, meanwhile, when you are doing all childish things, someone is going to come, take that empress from you. Okay? Don't get triggered. You need to grow up. With whomever you are, whether it is a men or women, you need to grow up, because here you are doing lot of immature energy, lot of stubborn things, lot of childish things, which is not good for you as well as people whoever dealing with you. Okay, so change your energy, try to grow up, heal your heart chakra, and try to grow up, come out of these mental blocks, whatever fears, anxiety, whatever insecurities you may be carrying, try to come out of it. Okay, so thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You'll find the details in the description box. We will meet next week with your next week energy.